Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable gifts notifications on your Badoo app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on profile down here. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on account preferences, then you come to next step here, click here on notifications, then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on gifts here, then come to next step here, come here to push notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here. So for mobile and here for email, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.